Hello everyone, my name is Jayasharma and I am from Bangalore. I've come from JP Nagar and this is my first visit to Pyramid Valley, and it's such a surreal and beautiful experience, peaceful. I entered the pyramid and we had to meditate, wherein it was like the energies were aligned, and the full concentrated concentration was back from the hustle bustle of our lives the entire week, which we do, and especially during pandemic we require it a lot since we have work from home. So it was a superb experience. I would suggest everybody to visit here. Thank you.
My name is Samarth.
My name is Aaradhya.
I'm Avisha.
From Bangalore. We visited
We visited here for the first time and we have come from Bangalore.
and I love this place.
And it's very beautiful and peaceful.
This is very peaceful and amazing. Was amazing thing in the world. It was very peaceful. I loved it so much.
I came with my friends and
Family.
This
This
place
place is just awesome.
thank you.
Thank you.